Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back to Omalola Finance Lab, where we turn money talk into your financial superpower. How are you all doing today? Drop a quick comment to let me know. I'm Badamosi Omalola, your trusted guide in the world of finance, and today we're diving into a topic that will leave you inspired and ready to conquer new heights. Let's talk about turning wins into momentum, celebrate success and dream bigger. Stick with me because this video is packed with value, humor, and actionable steps. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, BOOP the like button, and leave a comment below about your biggest win this year. We're building a community of winners, and I want you to be part of it. Picture this: you're climbing a mountain, and you've just reached a milestone. What do? Pause and celebrate the view or rush to the next peak without a second glance? Today, we're learning to embrace our victories and use them as a launchpad to dream even bigger. Let's start with step 1. First things first, take a step back and review how far you've come. Grab a notebook or open that finance app where you've been tracking your goals. Reflect on your starting point and what you've accomplished so far. This is your moment to acknowledge your hard work and persistence. Let's break it down. Open your financial tracker or journal and list your wins. This could be paying off a debt, saving a specific amount, or even sticking to a budget consistently. Highlight the challenges you've overcome to get there. Did you give up certain luxuries to save more? That's a win worth celebrating. Note any patterns. For example, were you more disciplined during specific months? These insights can guide your future plans. And here's a pro tip: don't just list your wins, celebrate how you made them happen. Was it that extra hour of work each week? Or maybe you skipped a few takeouts to stash away some extra cash. Those little habits deserve a standing ovation too. If your goal was to save $1,000 and you've saved $750, celebrate that 75%. You're 3/4 of the way there, a massive win. Reflecting on these details builds your confidence and gives you clarity for what's next. Doesn't it feel good to see your hard work pay off? Stay tuned, because the next step is all about celebrating that progress in style. Celebrating your wins doesn't mean breaking the bank. It's about recognizing your efforts and recharging your motivation. Here's how you can do it. Choose a celebration that aligns with your values. Love food? Treat yourself to a special meal. Enjoy experiences? Take a day trip or visit a favorite spot. Share your win with someone who supports you. This could be a friend, family member, or even our amazing community here. Sharing amplifies the joy. Reflect on what this win means to you. Write it down or say it out loud. I've achieved this because I stayed disciplined and focused. When I hit my first big finance goal, I threw myself a little party. Think balloons, Afrobeat music, and lots of happy dancing. Trust me, it's a vibe. This positive reinforcement makes you excited for the journey ahead. And guess what? Celebrations don't have to be big or flashy to be meaningful. Maybe it's a cozy night in with your favorite movie, a stroll through your favorite park, or even splurging on that book you've been eyeing. Whatever it is, let it feel special to you. Also, don't forget to document the moment. Take a picture, make a quick video, or write about it in your journal. That way, you can look back and remember how far you've come. It's like a little time capsule of your success. What's your go-to celebration? Share in the comments, because we're about to take this momentum to the next level with future milestones. Now it's time to dream bigger. Use the energy from your celebration to set new, bold milestones. Start with SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's a step-by-step approach. 1. Identify the next big goal. Is it building a 3-month emergency fund, starting an investment portfolio, or saving for a dream trip? 2. Break it down. Divide your goal into smaller steps. For instance, if your target is $3,000 in 6 months, aim for $500 a month. 3. Visualize your success. Create a vision board or write a detailed description of how achieving this goal will feel and what it will enable you to do. 4. Plan rewards. Attach mini rewards to each milestone. Reaching $1,000? Celebrate with a movie night or your favorite meal. Write down your goal, like saving $500 a month for the next 6 months. Break it into bite-sized steps, and visualize the outcome. Maybe it's peace of mind, a dream vacation, or investing in your future. Whatever it is, make it exciting. You're creating the blueprint for your dream life. Ready to make it happen? Keep watching, because we're about to tie it all together in a fun challenge. Here's your challenge. This week, I want you to review your progress, celebrate your wins, and set one new milestone. Let's break it into actions. Review. Look at your financial progress this year. Note 3 key achievements and the habits that helped you succeed. Celebrate. Choose a celebration method that suits your style. It could be a quiet moment of gratitude, a shout out on social media, or a small reward. Plan. Write down one major milestone for the next 3 months and the steps you'll take to achieve it. Share your plan in the comments. Let's cheer each other on. And here's an extra tip. As you set your new milestone, visualize the feeling of achieving it. Close your eyes and picture what success looks like. Maybe it's the freedom of being debt-free, the joy of a well-earned vacation, or the security of a robust emergency fund. Feel it, own it, and let it fuel your determination. Remember, this isn't just about finance. It's about building a life you're proud of. Let's create momentum together. Before you go, don't forget to 1. Subscribe to this channel for more value-packed videos. 2. VOLP the like button to show some love. 3. Drop a comment with your biggest win or question. I'm here to help. 4. Share your suggestions for future videos. We're covering it all, and your input makes it even better. You've got this. Let's celebrate, plan, and dream big together. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep winning, my friends. Bye for now.